So today we have a kimchi workshop. So we're looking at simple fermentations. So the whole idea is using what's in our pantries. Like traditional Korean kimchi is cabbage-based, and you see actually through a lot of cultures around the world that cabbage is a very popular fermentation vegetable. And the idea behind kimchi and sauerkraut is to take the natural bacteria that's already in the cabbage, ferment it so that it not only lasts longer in our pantry, but also ends up being better and healthier for us.
Did a bit of looking into the fermenting of food so that, we've always got access to food throughout the year. And kimchi for me, I just love kimchi, but also that I was introduced to kimchi through a really good friend of mine from Korea. Using food as medicine, that it becomes something that you can build your immunity with. And you're just increasing our knowledge in that area, and that the foods that we do have access to may not be as good for us as we may think.
Because at the moment I'm trying to get away from eating too many processed foods. I sort of believe that they're not that healthy for me, and sort of at my age I want to really start eating a better diet. So I've read up on fermented goods. My grandson actually makes kimchi, but he's actually in Nelson's. I saw this program and I thought, oh, that's a good idea. I'll come along and get some practical tips on it. Sometimes you can, look at Google it, but it's never the same as being there.
That's why my daughter came, and it's quite expensive at the shop. But my kids love to eat them. They research on the internet how to make it. But I said, oh no, this is our chance to learn and to bring it to our family and friends, to teach them, introducing not only the healthiest food, and teaching them how to preserve their food for decades in the future.
The taste is really good. It's really good. There is a hint of tangy, minty. It has an effect like wasabi. It helps clear the airways. Even the smell of it, because I've been eating kimchi, I think it helps with digestion and with the microbacteria. It helps with the absorption of the nutrients, because we normally buy it from our nearest shop, but we love kimchi and the benefits of it.